Have you ever caught yourself saying, one day, I'll go to Japan, and then immediately listed 10 reasons why you can't? Too expensive. Too far. Too complicated. Too scary. Well, let me stop you right there, because I'm here to tell you. You absolutely can travel to Japan. And not just someday. Not when you're richer, braver, or have more time. You can do it sooner than you think, maybe even this year. In this video, I'm breaking down the biggest myths that hold people back and showing you how Japan isn't just a dream, it's a real, reachable destination. Let's go. It's more affordable than you think. A lot of people write off traveling to Japan because they assume it's too expensive, but that's one of the biggest myths out there. The truth is, Japan can be surprisingly budget-friendly if you know where to look. Budget airlines often have great deals on flights, especially if you're flexible with your travel dates. Once you're there, you don't need luxury hotels to enjoy the country. Capsule hotels, hostels, and even traditional guest houses, ryokans, can offer a comfortable stay for a fraction of the price. Public transportation is another huge win. The Japan Rail Pass allows unlimited train travel for a set fee, making it easy to explore multiple cities without breaking the bank. Plus, many of Japan's greatest experiences, like walking through historic Kyoto streets, visiting temples, exploring nature trails, or enjoying local matsuri festivals, are completely free or cost very little. Eating out? Also doable on a budget. Convenience store meals in Japan are fresh, affordable, and genuinely delicious. Local ramen shops and conveyor belt sushi restaurants serve filling, authentic meals for under $10. With some planning and a little flexibility, your dream trip to Japan doesn't have to remain a fantasy, it can absolutely become your reality. You don't need to be fluent in Japanese. One of the most common fears about traveling to Japan is the language barrier, but let me reassure you, you don't need to speak Japanese fluently, or at all, to have an amazing trip. Japan is one of the most tourist-ready countries in the world. In major cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto, you'll find English signage in train stations, menus with pictures, and often English translations, and plenty of people in customer service who understand the basics of English. Even if you find yourself off the beaten path, technology has your back. Translation apps like Google Translate can scan text and help you communicate on the go. Many restaurants now offer digital menus in multiple languages. And when all else fails, the Japanese people are famously kind and helpful. Gestures, smiles, and patience go a long way. In fact, part of the magic of travel is learning to navigate the unknown. Not speaking the language becomes part of the adventure. And believe it or not, you'll probably pick up a few key phrases along the way. So don't let fear hold you back. Millions of travelers have gone before you without speaking Japanese, and so can you. Life's too short to keep saying, maybe someday. We all have that list, the dream destinations we tell ourselves we'll visit someday. But here's the truth, someday isn't a date on the calendar. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, when you have more money, more time, more courage, it might never come. The perfect time rarely announces itself. Sometimes, you have to decide it's now. Japan is a place that lights up your senses and expands your view of the world. Whether it's standing beneath the cherry blossoms, walking through ancient temples, catching your breath in a bamboo forest, or tasting sushi from a tiny counter in Tokyo, it's a reminder of how big, beautiful, and diverse the world really is. Those are the kinds of memories that change you. You weren't meant to only daydream from your desk or scroll through other people's travel photos. You were meant to go, to experience, to live. Life is short, but it's also wide, and Japan is waiting for you to step into it. Book the ticket, take the leap. You can do this. So here's the truth: Japan isn't just for the lucky few, it's for you. With the right mindset, a bit of planning, and the courage to take that first step, this trip is not only possible, it's waiting for you. The food, the culture, the adventure, the memories, they're not in someone else's story. They're in yours. So stop waiting. Stop saying, someday. Say yes to the journey. Say yes to Japan. Because you can travel to Japan, and you'll never regret the trip that changed your life.